I saw Star Wars when I was really little. I fell in love with Luke and Han and Leia and Chewie and Obi-Wan and Vader. I mean, they were compelling, and I think that's really what the crux of it was, is the characters. A young farm boy, eager to learn about his destiny, goes on the adventure of a lifetime, meeting a wild cast of characters, both good and evil, learns about himself, learns about the broader universe, what it is to be selfless, what it is to be something bigger than himself, and confronts some of his greatest fears, but becomes a man in the process. As a kid, and as an adolescent, as an adult, it just never stopped being a part of my life.